Hey guys, if you're trying to play Counter-Strike and your audio keeps disconnecting, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your audio keeps disconnecting every couple of seconds easily. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your escape menu, and then you're going to go to your settings here, and then you're going to go to your audio settings, and then you'll see this audio device setting here. Now what you're going to do, you're just going to click onto it and then select any other device that you have. And once you do that, now you're going to select it back to the device that you want. So this one for me, and then when you open up your game now, you'll see that your audio will be back. So the ages guys, that's the fix for the audio bug on Counter-Strike 2. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.